Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up feedbackbutton app and collect feedback from your Shopify store visitors. feedbackbutton Shopify app allows merchants to collect in-the-moment customers' feedback, take action on time to improve satisfaction, loyalty, and boost sales. It's the easiest way for Shopify stores to add feedbackbutton to their website. If you need help installing feedbackbutton app, check our installation guide. The link is in the description of this video. After you've installed the app, you'll see Design tab opened. Here it is. Here you can set up the feedback button and feedback pop-up. All basic functionality is included in our free plan. But you'll see that some part of the settings is locked. To unlock it, you'll need to upgrade your pricing plan. The detailed description of our pricing plans is available on our app details page in the Shopify App Store. Just scroll down and here they are. For demonstration purposes, I've unlocked all functionality of the application. So let's start our review. By default, you'll see Design tab opened. And by default, your application will be active, which means that feedback button is visible on your website. If you want to change this, you can simply deactivate the button. And at any moment, you'll be able to publish it back. There are 3 steps: button settings, pop-up, and translation. Let's start with the button settings desktop view. Here I can change button's position. Let's place it here. I can also change button's copy or simply translate it. I can change button's color and text color. After I've made changes, I need to save them in order to apply. Let's check how our feedback button looks on the website. So here it is. You can see that position is changed and the color as well. At this point, I'm ready to move to the next step, which is pop-up settings. Here it is. On the right side of the screen, I can see real-time preview of my pop-up. And in the left side panel, there are 5 sections of the pop-up. So the first one is rating and branding. Here it is. If I don't need it, I can switch it off. Let's leave it for now. The next section is category. This part, review, this part, link, this information here, and thank you state of the pop-up. So let's start with the first section, rating and branding. Here I can upload the logo to make my pop-up branded. Let's try this feature. Done, logo uploaded. I can change its position. I can also change header background color to match my branding. Let's make it a bit darker, for example. I can also change text color if I need to. I can change copy of the title. In this case, we have "How would you rate our website?" You can see that preview changes in real time. I can choose whether I want to use stars for review or emoji. Let's switch to stars. And I'm also able to remove watermark. After I've made changes, I need to save them. Let's move to the second step, which is called category. Here it is. Here I can add a drop-down list to my pop-up, this one. In our example, it's called "What would you like to share with us?" And we provide 4 options for our users. Users will be able to choose whether they want to leave a compliment, suggestion, bug, or a question. Here I am able to edit, change, or translate drop-down title. I can change or translate drop-down hint text, and I can remove drop-down list items, or I can add new ones. I can add existing ones, for example. To remove an item, I need to click on the remove icon, and to add new, I need to click on the add action. All done. And I need to click on the save button to save changes. Okay, we are ready to proceed to the next step, which is called review. Here we have just two input fields to edit. The first one, input title, this one. So let's change it to comment. And we can also change or translate input hint text, this one. Let's leave it as it is. After I'm done, I need to click on the save button to save changes. The next step is called link, and it allows to edit this information under the comment input field. Here you can add any information you need with some helpful links. To edit the link, just select text, click on the link icon and paste link here in the input field and save changes. And final step of the settings is called thank you. It's a thank you state of the pop-up. It will appear right after the user has left a review. Here you can edit pop-up's title, this one. You can also switch on or switch off user's email. So if this toggle is switched off, users' emails will not be collected. If you want to leave the opportunity for users to leave their emails, just leave this toggle on. And there will be input field to collect emails. But please bear in mind, this input field is optional. To change or translate copy on the Continue Shopping button, you'll need to go to the Translation tab. We'll go there in a minute. Once you've done with the changes, save them. We can see that changes have been saved, and we are ready to proceed with the third part, translation. So here I can translate the copy I was not able to translate on the second step. For example, I can translate pop-up button text, this one. I can translate continue shopping text, which can be found here. And I can translate rate and help text, which appears on the pop-up here. That's it, I'm done with all the settings. Please note that by default, desktop settings will be mirrored to mobile. So feedback button and feedback pop-up will look exactly the same on mobile for now, but I can make changes to mobile, and those changes will not be mirrored to desktop. I just need to switch to mobile view right here. And for example, I want my feedback button to be positioned on the right for mobile. I can save this. So on mobile, feedback button will appear on the right, while on desktop, it will still be located on bottom of the screen. And all settings are duplicated for mobile, and you can make changes you want to mobile. And mobile will not be mirrored to desktop, once again. Just make sure you've switched to mobile view here or here. Now we are ready to check how feedback button looks on our website. Let's refresh the page, open our feedback pop-up, and let's leave a compliment. Done. And I don't want to leave my email, so I just click continue shopping. Let's go back to our application, switch to the statistics tab, and here you can see a new review. All new reviews will be marked with the green line on the left. So this is our dashboard. On the left side, there is a list with all the reviews. Each review has information about the device type, date, time, and browser, rating itself, category, comment. The email left by user will appear on the right here. On the right side, there is some statistics, such as customer satisfaction level, right here, average star rating, and number of reviews over the time. All reviews left by users can be filtered, here, can be sorted by date or rating, and can be exported to Excel or CSV file. There is also search, and you can search through reviews for some specific keywords, for example. On top panel, you'll always have access to the Change Plan button and to our FAQ page on our website. That's it. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions left or you want to say hi, just drop us a line. Our email is in the description of this video. See you next time. Bye!